I'm Amy from Bloom to Breathe. You can find me at the Arts Barn Creative Collective here in Carryong. I'm a florist. I make beautiful things with nature. Yeah, so I'll be offering a mini flower bar. So you can create small bunches, gathering stems, wrapping them. You can also learn about the flower symbolism and the flower therapy, and you can have a little bit of a petal play as well. So I'll be having a smaller table for kids where they can glue and investigate with different mediums and textures and stuff of nature. To come as you are, you don't have to have any experience in floristry. I will teach you what I know. It's simple, it's easy, and it's really therapeutic for you as well. I hope they learn something new about themselves, but also a new skill or a new craft that they can continue in their own time, or perhaps even come back and do a course or a one-off workshop with one of us. Plan your weekend at lovecentralcoast.com/creative journey.